have actually like, you know, carved the wall with this frame. Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to another day in Miami and welcome to the channel. So as you guys saw that yesterday we actually went to Islamorada, which is a small village and island around 1.5 hours away from Miami. It is a secluded place, so that is what we decided, that, you know, out of 4 days of our Miami trip, one day has to be like, you know, kind of a long drive to a secluded area. So that is why we visited that small village island, which is called as Islamorada. And it was quite late for us, like we came around 1 o'clock at night, and that is why we literally dozed off completely. Today is our last and final day in Miami. So right now I'm getting ready. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We are going to leave at around 10:30 and go to Wynwood area. So Wynwood Walls, it's all graffiti walls area which is there. And after that we are going to Miami Design District, which is again about art, and it's like beautiful. So I'll be capturing all of those things. And the wonderful thing that you're going to see towards the end is going to be the kayaking thing. So we are doing a night kayak on the Miami River at night, so that's going to be really fun and interesting. So stay glued till the end of the vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. If you have something to ask me like about Miami or the trip, or, you know, any general feedback or things you want me to you know, talk about in the upcoming vlogs, do let me know. And as you guys know, I am still planning off daily vlogging. Not sure yet. These 4 days I have been vlogging daily, so let's see how it goes. But stay glued till the end of the vlog. Hi guys, welcome again. So as I told you that, you know, we are today leaving for Miami Design District and Wynwood Walls. So I am on my way to Miami Design District. It's somewhere around 11 o'clock right now, and we have booked a place for lunch which is called as Bombay Darbar for 3 o'clock today. So all of us are going to meet at 3 o'clock for lunch. But right now me and Neerul here, we both are going to Design District and planning to explore Miami on foot. Hi everyone, so we are finally in Miami Design District, and you should see, like, you know, we were just taking some pictures on that yellow wall that you saw, and it was so pretty, so beautiful. And we are just walking. If you guys want to have a look, the entire Design District is so pretty. There are these stores all around, so it's a district. Okay, so you can see, you can just stop at a wall and take pictures, videos, see the structure there. It's pretty.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for any time.
We have been exploring this. So this is from the top. We are on the first floor. I was just showing you, and how pretty it looks. Now we are just heading to that wall. If you can see, we are on the first floor. We'll go to the ground floor and head to that wall and take some cool pictures there.
Wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
Okay, so we are done with the Miami Design District, and right now we are heading to Wynwood Walls. And once we are done with that, then I've already booked, as I told you, like, you know, 3 o'clock Bombay Darbar. So we'll be going there and having lunch. We have just reached Wynwood Walls, and trust me, like, you know, if you can see this, okay, all these walls here, so this is the entire area for all the walls. The best part is the entire street, if you can see, it's all so colorful. So every wall, even if it's a house or a building or whatever, they have, like, you know, painted it really funky and cool and vibrant and colorful. So we are going to, like, you know, just take some shots there, go down, take some pretty cool pictures. Okay, so we are entering this Wynwood Walls area. So this is a particular area where you'll find all the walls which are done, but in general on the street itself, everything is, like, you know, pretty lit. So people have decorated their houses and everything with graffiti as well. So this, we have just entered the Wynwood Walls area. So we are in the Wynwood Walls, Wynwood district, and now I'm going to show you, if you can see that, you know, these walls are done all by artists. And they say that, you know, year by year, not year by year, but at least within 2-3 years, the artists keep on changing their paintings. So each wall is dedicated to a particular artist. I could see there somewhere the artist's name was also written. So I'm just going to walk this entire area and I'm going to show you all the different artwork here. So this is all graffiti walls. You can actually take pictures here.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going.
So you can see this, they have actually, like, you know, carved the wall with this frame. So if I go near and if I, you know, actually show you, so it's all carved and crooked, and they have made this art which looks so pretty. Hey guys, so you have been following us, and right now we shopped for some souvenirs for Miami. So me and Hirul, we actually shopped for all 17 of us, like whatever people wanted. Took us a lot of time, and right now it's somewhere, it's going to be 5 and we are going to have a late lunch at Bombay Darbar. So supposedly that's like the best Indian cuisine in Miami, and that's like a place to try on. So we are now heading to Bombay Darbar, and we are now going to have like, you know, late lunch there. And after that, once we are done with that, we might go to like downtown Miami, but we have a night kayak booking on the Miami River at 8 o'clock. So we are going to head to that, and it's around 2 hours of night kayak. So I'm going to capture some shots there. So hope you guys are having fun. Okay, so finally we are at this cuisine, which is ideally the best Indian cuisine in Miami, which is Bombay Darbar. And if you stay in Boston, you know that, you know, how difficult it is to get some good Indian food. So right now we are going to enter Bombay Darbar.
Hold your breath, babe, the smoke is burning. You kiss me now and we'll be alright. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
Okay, hi guys, everybody say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so we are here on the Miami River, and as you can see, the sun is setting, and we are here for kayaking. How many of you guys know swimming? Okay, so she isn't going to swim. She isn't going to kayak, and Norma is going to kayak, and all of us, we don't know how to swim. So we are very much ready to actually fall.
Just raise my hand.
You know how to swim? Okay.
I know to swim.
Okay.
You are not even like 10 years of my life to waste.
Okay, so Norma knows how to swim, but myself, Hiral and Nandini, we don't know how to swim, so we are ready to fall in water.
We are not depending on them to
And they have their personal lifesaver with them.
Yeah. So this person, if you can see, this person in the vlog is responsible for all of us. Okay, if anybody gets into the water, so this person, look again, this person.
She said she will die herself to save us. If one of us falls, I will.
Line up in the middle. Again, that handle. You're gonna reach across the other side. Pull yourself up. Make sure your feet are behind you. Okay.
I don't know start हुआ. Okay, so we are going to right now begin with kayaking. As you guys saw, we've heard all the instructions, but nobody here knows to swim. So let's see how it goes. Only this girl knows to swim.
And I don't pretend to know what you want. I don't even know where to start, but I'm willing to try.
Okay, so if you row it like this, if you guys can see, Okay, so I'm going in this direction. Yeah. Hey, टक्कर मत करो. Oh my god, this is such an experience, I can't tell you. Because everybody is super scared, people who know to swim also, because this is a river and it's super duper deep, okay? Haan, bolo. Okay, so if you guys can see, I am almost like, here. So initially he was saying that, everybody has to be together, but nobody knows. It was the first time that everyone was doing kayak, so we all are like, not at all pros, all amateurs here. But it's such a nice experience. If you can see the rowing thing is in my hand right now, and I'm just sitting, okay, not doing anything and just floating. And this is the Miami River view, which is beautiful. And I must say, just not doing anything, sitting and listening to the sound of the water makes us really pleasant. Okay, so the wonderful part is when you dip in, like, when you are actually ready to go. So initially he was giving us all the instructions and everything. So, he's not into water and telling you. He's like, just you do this, you do that. And that's like, okay, you can do it. But, for a person like me who doesn't know how to swim, and I am doing this kayaking for the first time, like all by myself. Back in India, like, you do paragliding, this, water sports, but there is always somebody there.